Hi guys, today we gonna roast this kid. His grammar sucks Ingle. Let's react to his videos. Poor. This guy in W. Shoe. 1-1. Millionaire. Bacons are trash, you're also trash.
I hate bacon. So I be a theme up. Lol. But he was doing this.
I was training. And it's time. Revenge M1M.
Like and subscribe for these Avilbacons set my house.
Bacons.
Why bacons hold be banned?
More like why you should be banned. He don't hate bacon, he a bacon hair. 1-1. Cooked bacon that doesn't make sense.
This bacon tree don't kill.
Spelling sucks.
I was pulling up to the church and this dumb bacon tree to buy.
You're not funny, Void. Why inflation in richer plus don equals an 5-year-old. Hat, hun. Why bacons ruin Roblox? Why I had a bro why used bacon, same video. Why I had a why bacon? Why I had a why bacons ruin Roblox? They sir cringe. Sir, they don't. More like you don't have a life. Also, your spelling sucks. Research memento. Bro can't make friends. He likes bacons, bro got exposed. These goofy all lookin'.
Your channel is nothing. It serves zero purpose. You should reset character now and give somebody else a piece of that oxygen and ozone layer that's covered up so we can breathe inside this blue trapped bubble. Because what are you here for? To use religion and animal abuse for content? Rethink your life. I mean that with 100%, with 1,000%.